A to Z. So here A to Z data will be sorted. So in this way we can find pivot charts and pivot tables. So this is more useful options. Here also we can change the design also. Here these tables can be changed according to different designs. We can make there are lots of designs available in Excel. So we can select any of the designs by to put it in very attractive nature. Here there are different options that is available in a pivot charts or pivot tables. So we can change the field setting. We can also use we can give this table name as a pivot table name, or we can give a different name to here. We can ungroup or we can group the selections. So this can be also used using a pivot list. Just we have to drag if we want to remove it, and just we can put that if you want to add it. We can also put or we can remove all the fields, then our original data will be there, and from that data we can calculate. Suppose you want to calculate the number of persons male and female wise, so click gender here and select the male and female. Here also more than one can be obtained. Suppose we also enter more than one field, we want to also calculate their averages. So select here, change the value as a average. So it will be their average will be calculated, and here count of number of genders. Genders can also be attached here. It will be attached here. So male and female, that will be written as a column field. Okay.
Okay, there in this session we learn so many things that should be in the beginning of the session we saw that that so many things can be available in the Excel over that. Also we collect the data over that, and the collections of the data we go for this in decisions for that. That also that should be we use in the formulas, in the special functions. We use the chart over that in the pivot table. That the biggest use in this also in the business intelligence over that, in the academic intelligence can be also used for. Thank you, sir. That should be you have come over here, and in this we have delivered these sessions over that. Okay, thank you.
Sandhan, All Gujarat Integrated Classroom.
સેટેલાઇટના માધ્યમથી જોડતી કડી એટલે સંધાન.